everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been 9 months since I posted a video last year, so today I am going to be doing a Primark little shopping haul, what I've bought over the past month, because I've done 2 Primark outings. I've gone to Primark twice in like a month, so I've decided to do a video on what I got to like start up my channel again. And then after that, next week's video maybe will be a updated what's on my iPhone, because I got a new iPhone in May.
Oh, itchy nose.
And I got the iPhone 8 Plus in gold, so I will be doing a video on that very shortly. So let's get on with the video. So I'm going to start off with things I've bought from Primark. So I went to Primark yesterday and I went I think 2 weeks ago. So I'm just going to delve in and show you what I got. So on top it's literally just this bikini because I'm going on holiday in like...
So
I got this bikini. It's really nice, like Aztec print, a lovely colour for the summer. So I got that. Then obviously just like the tie buttons as well. Put these down here. It's quite annoying. Then I just got this like nude one, just, you know, just standard bikinis that I can wear. Oh, top's going up. And then I just got the plain bottoms to go with that. Then I also got some shorts because it's going to be quite hot and I'm going to need some shorts, so I bought some. So I bought some yellow ones. These are ones that I can sleep in because in the summer it gets quite hot. So I just got these. These are about £2.50 from Primark. Let's put all that down there. Don't want to clutter my desk up. Then I got this top. Nice little off the shoulder top with some yellow pom-poms on, which I think is going to be really nice to wear on holiday because I am in fact going to Greece, so I think it needs to be light and airy because Greece it gets quite hot. So I'm going to be wearing that very shortly on holiday. Then I got this I'm actually like loving. This is a bodysuit which is bright orange. Nice little bodysuit here. It looks kind of red on camera, which it's not red, it's orange. And it's got like this wiring here for the V, just to hold its shape, and it's just an off the shoulder one as well, and it's gorgeous. It does look orange on red on camera, but it's actually bright orange. So got that. Then I got these shorts. These shorts reminded me of Greece so much, just like white and blue, because their buildings are really like bright and colourful, or they're white. So where I'm going, they're like colourful walls, but like I always known for Greece for its really plain white buildings because of like the heat and stuff. So I just got these ones. I'm loving these ones. So got some little blue tassels on them. Then I got this body suit. It's a play suit. It's got these really nice shoulders. These like really thin straps that flare out a bit, and then it goes down and then cinches at the waist a little bit and then goes into some shorts. I'm really a fan of this print. It looks gorgeous. The material is really light and airy, so it would be nice to wear on holiday. Oh. And then I got this white strappy top. I rarely wear white strappy tops, but this one was just amazing. I love it. It's really nice. It's got like these air pockets in. No, not air pockets. It's a really nice detail with some little white buttons on it. I'm a fan of this, so I'll get a lot of wear out of that in the summer. Then I got this crop top, which I can wear in the UK and like on holiday, and it just says "Oh Honey" on it, and it's bright yellow. I'm loving yellow at the moment, so I was like, I have to buy this, so I did. Oh, sorry I'm not telling you the prices. It's all going to be under £10 anyway, so Then I got this off the shoulder top. This is just a little bit longer here, and it has little cutout designs on the bit here. I really like it. It's just a plain white one, and I think it's really gorgeous. So I can't wait to wear that one. I also got some leggings, just some black simple leggings, because you know, you need something to lounge around in at home. I'm currently wearing some now, so. Then I got this cardigan yesterday. This was £8, I know the price of this, but the back is so like sheer, so it's really good to wear on holiday because it's not a thick cardigan and it won't like hold in the heat. It's my favourite colour, burgundy. Just a little cardigan. I haven't worn a cardigan in like years, so it's literally just like got this really nice lace design on the back, which I think is gorgeous, and I'll be getting a lot of wear out of that. This just does not want to stay on my shoulder today, does it? Oh, it's very strange. I also bought some accessories. So I bought these sunglasses, just some white sunglasses. I don't know if they suit me, but I'm gonna wear them anyway. So just got these white ones.
If I sound a bit like nasally, it's because I've got hay fever and it's so annoying.
The last two things in this bag are some more shorts. So I got these Harry Potter ones to sleep in. Just says Gryffindor here. Some stripy Harry Potter shorts to sleep in. And then I got some white ones with like a black or blue trim around the side. Some plain white ones that I can wear in the summer too. So that's everything that I got for clothes.
I'm pretty sure, let me just check. Yeah, that's
everything I got for clothes. So now for accessories. I bought this necklace from Primark yesterday and I feel like I'm going to wear it all the time. It's just got this K with an arrow on it. It's not really focusing. But I got this gold K with an arrow on it because I think it's really cute, and it's like one of those necklaces that you can wear like all the time. So I'm going to wear that. Then I got this baby blush pink belt with this really nice detailing on the buckle. I'm really a fan of it. I thought it was very up my street, so I got that. Got this new wash bag because my one was falling apart and breaking, so I got this clear one with roses on it, and I'm really into roses. They're like my favourite flower.
So I bought this
and I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. So I also bought some Batiste dry shampoo because this is really good for on holiday or for next day after you shower, just to give your hair a bit of volume, and I really like it, so I use this. And I've had a haircut, so it's really also good. I got loads of rings from Primark. Loads of rings. I'm currently wearing one on my finger, which has twisted around. It's just this silver one finger. And then I got this one with a really nice design on it. It's really not focusing. It's just focusing on my face. Wow, okay, those won't focus, but I've just got some simple rings. I'll show you some of my favourites. So I've got this one here, which is just a blush pink colour with some jewels around the side of it. And then I've got this one, which is like a geode ring, or like it's a baby pink ring, but it's like a crystal on it, and I think it's gorgeous. This one's also one of my favourites, kind of twisted with like a pearl on top. It's a cute little heart ring here, just heart with some little details on it. I think it's really cute. So I'm sorry these aren't focusing because it just doesn't want to not focus on my face. It's really annoying. So that is everything for my haul. If you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below, it's free. Click the bell because the subscription boxes are really icky at the moment, so it's not very clear when people post videos now. So make sure to click the bell so you don't miss another video like this or any future videos. Yeah, I think that's all I've got to say. I will be doing a lot more videos from now on, which I'm really happy about. I miss doing it, so look out for more videos. Please leave suggestions in the description box. That would be very helpful. I meant comment section. It's been a while, gotta get back to grabs with it, but that's all for now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.